What's going on, beautiful people? It's your man King K here again, back with another video. This video is basically going to be an update about the COVID-19 situation and Uber driving. I'm going to make this real quick. Personally, I feel like it's really risky to be out there doing Uber, and this is not discouraging a lot of drivers, but I feel like it pose more of a risk when you're carrying passengers. Yes, there's been suggestions that you can do by putting on face masks and rolling down the windows and whatever, but I feel like it's a personal assessment, right? You gotta assess your risks, and you gotta assess, especially for people with underlying conditions that are more at risk of developing fatal symptoms for COVID-19. I feel like you gotta weigh your options out, and I personally want to put a suggestion. I want to put a suggestion to you, Uber drivers, to start doing Uber Eats or skip the dishes, food delivery services, because I feel like there is good money in there right now, and it's a little bit more safer than having people in your car, touching your car, touching stuff in your car. There had been a few cases of Uber drivers contacting COVID-19 from carrying passengers. I don't know how that happened, but apparently one of them I hear got it while he was cleaning his car after a passenger that possibly had it was in his car. And I don't feel like where there are opportunities for alternatives, they should not be taken, right? So for me personally, I started doing Uber Eats more, and I started just doing food delivery. Now, even if you weren't doing Uber Eats before, or Uber, using the Uber platform to make money, I feel like this is a great time for you to start. A lot of people on the CERB payments can work up to $1,000 a month, and I feel like Uber Eats is a great way for you to make that $1,000 extra a month for now that you might not be working in your regular place of work and whatever. And yeah, there's just a lot of options available for us to consider, as opposed to when the whole pandemic first started, and everybody was all over the place trying to get information and try to understand what was going on. You know what I mean? So I feel like, yeah, you can definitely explore this option, and a new way to go is to do Uber Eats and deliver food as a safer alternative than doing Uber driving. No, I don't know if you're gonna make exactly the same amount that you were making, or, but I feel like Uber rides have also been down a lot, more than usual. You're seeing more people make less money doing Uber driving, anyways, because everybody's staying home. Um, More and more, I think it's gonna start increasing because more businesses are starting to open up, and more people are starting to go out to these businesses, or to these jobs. So we just gotta watch and see how the trend goes. But for the last month or so, I would say Uber Eats has really been a very, very, a very, very interesting alternative, and a very, very productive, an effective alternative to Uber driving, and a safer alternative. So I just wanted to give you guys that update. I hope you guys found this insightful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to this channel if you want to hear some more updates about what's going on. And just stick around, stick with me, stick with this channel, and we'll be bringing you a lot of interesting and informative videos.